So just scrolling YouTube and I was like, damn, all these other tutorials suck. So I had to come save you guys. Today we're gonna make a beat for Ian. I already did one like about 2 weeks ago. Did super good, so decided, you know what? Let's do another one. See these gains, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Fucking swole, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get right into the news. First things first, we're gonna set our BPM. Let's do like 137. And for these kind of beats, you can go from around like 130 to about like 150, I'd say. But I'm gonna go somewhere in between, do 137. For these kind of beats, I like using expand. First thing, let's get a string. Just pick a random one, why not? Let's try this one. So our scale here is C minor. And for the first chord, I'm just gonna make a minor. Just gonna make a minor chord like this. And then we're just gonna copy it over. Hold shift, click and drag. And then hit command A to select everything. Hold shift, drag it over. And then we're just gonna take these notes here and put them up. Shit, I'm tripping. We do this right here. Yeah, you already hear it. You hear that, huh? So this is our first sound. We're just gonna keep it like this. We're not gonna strum it. We're not gonna randomize the velocities. We're just gonna keep it plain. Good old fashioned, you know? And let's clone up expand. Let's get another sound in here. Let's get an organ. For these kind of beats, you really just want to like stack a bunch of sounds, you know? Like you don't really have to do crazy melodies or anything. You just gotta like stack a whole bunch of sounds. So for this one, we're just gonna copy our chords from before, but we're just gonna like change the timing, I guess. Something like that, some light, some light. Now we got this. Let's take this, let's just extend it. Let's get another expand in here. We're literally just like stacking sounds. For this sound, let's do like a roll up. Let's do that like Z type. Let's do that Z type shit. Yeah. Now just keep it like that, keep it like that. Let's take these velocities, right click, and let's like pull them up like that. Okay, now let's get a piano just to layer these first chords. As I said before, we're literally using the same chords for pretty much all the melodies. We're just kind of like stacking them and changing the timing a little bit. Yeah, just keep that in mind. You don't really have to go OD on the melody here. You just gotta stack sounds. As I said, literally copy the chord from before and let's just like extend it. Copy it over. Let's pull this up, make this a A flat major. Yeah, now we just clone this up again. And let's add another layer. For this one, let's use like a synth brass. Well, fuck it. Try this one. I might change it out, but let's do our first chord and let's copy this over and let's make this like our second chord. And then just command B. Okay, let's just change the sound and make it something less reverby and like sharper. Let's just make it shorter just so it cuts. Let's change the sound. That one's good, but it's not exactly there. Let's take this C out. What if we take this D out? Pause. Let's change the sound though. Alright, so now I'm gonna go to my me&me kit and I'm gonna grab a lead one shot. If you guys want to get the me&me kit, link is down below. All you guys have been copping all the kits. I really do appreciate it. It just goes towards making better videos and collabs and stuff like that. I'm really trying to like fly out and meet some of these other producers and do videos with them. So that's kind of like what I'm planning in the near future. So yeah, if you guys cop some kits, you guys can get these collabs faster. I can lock in with some more producers. Really trying to help out the community, you know? I'm not just doing like recycled kits and like just trying to get a quick buck out of like free Reddit sounds. I'm really in it for the long run, and I hope you guys can see that, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's get back to it. So I'm gonna grab a lead. Let's use this one. This one's kind of got that like goofy type feel. Let's put up the hold and let's make the release all the way down. Let's add this slide right here. Nah, you feel me? You feel me? kind of want to make it like stutter right here. If you guys want to quickly shorten your notes, select it and then hit Shift D, and it just like shortens it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's do that and then make it slide right here. I'm gonna look for a couple more sounds just to like stack this melody up. Let's try this one shot right here. I don't really know. I think I'll put it on the one right here. Turn this up. Add that note right there. Yeah, we need to add a bell. We need like that. Is it the Z bell or is it the yeet bell? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's the Z bell. It's the Z bell. Let's just do this attack just so it stops right away. And then let's like add like a stutter right here. Or we do it before. Okay, yeah, let's do these velocities. Now let's just copy it over. I want to make this first bell slide. A quick tip to get like fast slide notes is if you turn this off right here and you hit S on your keyboard, it gives you like the slide note. See what I'm saying? We'll just do it on that one. Okay, let's add one more one shot. Let's use this one as like a texture. Yeah, let's just keep. Let's make this one just like have movement, you know? Let's just fix that. I hate when there's like the little bit extra and it like messes up. Okay, let's take all these sounds, add them to the mixer. Go over here, hit Shift Command L. And then I'm just gonna add some effects like shaper box, some loop radar, you know what I mean? Try to like sauce it up. Tough. Let's make this one wide. And after this lead, let's add some shaper box. I want to do one more thing. I'm going to copy these first chords here, and then I'm going to add them to a pizz. I forgot what it's called, a pizz, piccolo, a pizz. I'm going to change the sound to a pizz. Shit just sounds funny, pizz. Okay, we need to get rid of the reverb. Put this release all the way down. Yeah. Okay, let me just like organize myself here. I just gotta like take in what sounds we have, you know? Let's take all our melodies now and let's just add them to one channel. That way I can just add some like melody master effects, compress it and shit like that. So I'm gonna go to my me&me kit, grab this melody master right here. Let's go. Don't crash. Oh, my camera turned off. While my camera was cooling down, I just kind of like mixed it a little bit. I want to do something with this sound. I want to make this sound like crisper though. Try to add heat. By the way, this is like a new plugin from like FL 2024. That default one. Let's turn off this master delay, and then let's just compress it a little bit. through that. I'm gonna mute this for now. Alright, so let's just mute some of these sounds for now, and let's get started on the drums. First thing, I'm just gonna low cut this melody master here. Okay, let's get a snare. Let's get a snare. We go to my me&me kit. If you guys want to get it, the link's down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys that cop. Let's get a snare. Okay, let's add a snare roll. I'm gonna use the same snare just because I really like this snare. Let's add this thing right here. Smooth these down. I want to make some of them go like left and right and stuff. So let's go over here where it says control and click note pan. Now we can like draw in our pan. Let's do something like this. Let's add a hi-hat. Let's do this one. Let's hit Option U to make it a roll. Let's do this like super OD roll right here. Let's add a roll here, but let's make it like less of a roll. Let's copy it over. And let's add another roll right here. Hit Option U. Let's make it like a chiller roll. Let's make it like roll up and back down. Make it roll down and then back up. Hit Command B. Let's layer this first snare. Let's try this one. Let's just copy this pattern, paste it. Let's try a different one. Yeah. And by the way, for everybody who copped the me&me kit, I'm working on an update. Let me know if you guys want me to update it every single time I add a sound, or if you guys want me to update it like, I don't know, say once every 2 weeks or something like that. Because I don't want you guys to keep downloading like a kit and then it messes up your FLPs. So yeah, just let me know in the comments. Just got 808. I don't know if this one will fit, but let's just try it. I haven't really used this one that much yet. And then for this 808, let's just keep it chill, you know. Let's just use C and copy these notes. Let's paste this one up, hit Command up, and then hit Command B, and let's pitch this one back down. And then here, let's just move that up. Let's try a different 808. I'm gonna go to my Met kit and I'm gonna grab some chants. And let's get an open hat. Set the envelope so it cuts. I want to go to our bell here and let's pan these notes here. These kind of like roll ones right here. Just pan them. Just hear it. I do kind of want to add another lead, or I want to take one of our first leads out and switch it out with like a different one. No way, my camera overheated again. I don't really know where it cut out, but we're just gonna keep rolling with the punches, you know. Sometimes they don't want you to win, but guess what? We're not gonna stop. We'll never stop. I basically just added like a few perks. so what I want to do is I'm going to get rid of a couple of these leads that we started with. And let's just add like a slide note right there. Or actually, let's take that same pattern we used in that first lead, but let's do it with this one here. Okay, let's switch out the lead. That's tough. Let's just add some effects to it. Let's add it to the mixer. Let's do 12. I want to add a gross beat, and I want to add a gate to it. So I'm gonna go to gross beat. Let's add looperator to it. I really just gotta like tweak out on effects for this thing. I'm feeling this. I think we're done with the melodies. I don't want to do way too much because there's already like a lot going on. But yeah, let's arrange it. Just go over here to the pattern, right click, split by channel, go over here to open the playlist. And let's add in all our melodies here. It looks like a lot of melodies and stuff, but we literally use the same chords for pretty much all the sounds. So I'm recording this outro for the second time. I really have to speed run it because it's gonna cut out again. For these kind of beats, don't get overwhelmed. It's basically just the same chords over and over, but you just switch out like the rhythm of it. But yeah, use a short 808, stack a bunch of sounds, and go get my drum kit, me and me. I'm gonna be sending an update real soon. I'm saying.